parallel parking, the skill that makes even the best drivers sweat. But what if I told you there's one trick that could make you park like a pro every single time? Stick around because what happens next will surprise you. Here's the situation. Tight space, cars watching, pressure building. This is where most people panic, oversteer, and end up like this. Here's the trick. Line up your rear bumper with the other car. Turn your wheel fully to the right, start reversing slowly, and watch what happens. Now straighten the wheel, slowly reverse, then turn left, and boom! Just like that, you've parallel parked like a legend. No stress, no sweat. Try it once, and people will think you've been driving taxis in New York for 10 years. Next time you face that scary parking spot, remember this trick. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more driving hacks, and share this with a friend who still parks like this.